The games I've liked most have been racing and RTS. As a self-proclaimed bad at math programmer, I was pretty excited last week when I finally developed a strong physics-based racing proof that used simple art assets. The handling is smooth, the physics feel great, and it's highly responsive to the track. I was debugging issues and I found myself getting lost in the playstyle more every time. So now I'm going to build it. I also really loved racing that has elements of battle, like Mario Karts or even vehicles in Halo. It'll have destruction and chaos, but I'm also going to aim for no violence. If you want more of this, please like, and join us on Discord if you want to get involved in the discussions. For the look of the game, I'm planning on a low poly-ish. From a quick glance, it might appear low poly, but there are rounded edges and a general stylization. The vehicles generally won't have tires and operate on a propulsion system for levitation and traveling. The game is broken into 3 types of races: Speed, Demolition, and Vigilante. Starting with Speed, these will be large, elegant tracks designed to push vehicle physics in-game. This might include jumps, riding on walls, and high speeds. As you improve your abilities, you earn tech upgrades in speed and physics, allowing your vehicles to accomplish more. The Demolition Derby is about being the last one standing. There are no weapons allowed, but everyone brings them anyway. Getting caught with them means getting fined. Getting caught without them typically means you lose. Improve here to gain more upgrades in stealth and in close-range combat. The third race type is where you travel around a city to put a stop to dangerous situations. It's like a DoorDash vigilante, like bank robberies. Your hovercar is enabled to go higher than traffic, so you can literally travel over cars under you. But that means it can be hard to control. There will be targets to not hit, targets to hit, and a variety of battle race challenges. As a form of mercenary, the government gives you access to stronger weapons, shielding, and near-flight physics capabilities. The final area is a mechanic shop, but in this one, you don't just upgrade performance and expect it to work better. You hire a crew to help modify and reconstruct various weapons, physics abilities, and cross-the-vehicle techs. For instance, your speed upgrades can be rigged into your demolition and vigilante ships. With the right crew, you can adapt your tech tree. This is in early design and still open to change. Please like if you'd like to play this game, and if you want to join in the discussion, please jump on Discord.